Welcome to this week's business update. As we step into November, we are celebrating purpose, connection, and growth. From giving back through healing hands to sharing the season's most meaningful products and preparing for what's ahead in 2026. This month, your influence matters. While supplies last, $20 from every bottle of Together Blend supports our partner, the doTERRA Healing Hands Foundation, and real-world projects like scholarships from children from leprosy-affected communities in India, a brand new school campus in Bihar, already serving 310 students with a wait list of 900. As we each give through our purchases and purpose, the season continues to give back in even more ways. This holiday season, our new holiday collection is more than gifts. It's moments of warmth, connection, and joy. Set the tone before guests arrive with cozy scents from Holiday Peace, Yule Log, Holiday Joy, or Winterberry. Then add a touch of flavor and comfort to every gathering with cinnamon drops and lavender honey. Invite someone into the experience and let the season remind us that wellness truly is the gift that lasts. And while we share wellness this season, it's also a powerful time to reset mind, body, and business. This is your chance to lead by example and empower others to take control of their health. Every Thursday training from the Detox series, along with the class materials, is available now on the digital marketing kit and YouTube. These resources are designed to support you to experience your own detox and naturally share it with others. As we reset and refocus, we're also preparing to gather together for one of the most inspiring events of the year. Mark your calendars. Leadership Retreat 2026 is happening March 9th through 11th. This event is one of the highlights of the year, filled with inspiration, training, and connection. Tickets are available now, and you can grab the early bird price of just $79 through November 17th. Do not wait though. You need to put this on your calendar. Not joking, I'm going to be there. You are going to be there. It is the leadership retreat of the year where we focus on business, where we come together as a community and really surround ourselves with leaders. I want to see you there. As you move through this week though, remember, our small intentional actions create lasting impact. Whether you're sharing Together Blend, gifting wellness, or preparing for detox and leadership retreat, every effort contributes to something bigger. Thank you for all that you do with purpose and heart. See you all next week.